Hello everyone, welcome back to our DaVinci Resolve tutorial series. Today we'll be diving into the world of audio editing and learning how to add those smooth fades to your audio clips. Whether you're working on a standalone audio track or one connected to a video, this technique will add that professional touch to your projects. So let's get started. First things first, make sure you have your audio track ready. It could be a solo audio track or one linked to a video. Now, position your cursor at the end of the track and zoom in for a closer look. Once you're zoomed in, head over to the Effects tab. Click on it and navigate to Audio Transitions. Now you'll want to select Crossfade -3 dB. Grab it and effortlessly drag it onto the end of your audio clip. Excellent! Now you have the power to choose the length of your fade out. You can either elongate it for a more gradual fade or shorten it for a quicker transition. Let's take a moment to play it back and review our smooth fade out. Hit the play button and listen to the magic. Perfect! Your audio now has that professional fade out effect, adding a polished touch to your project. Now let's talk about fading audio in. Go back to the beginning of your clip by moving your cursor to the front. Zoom in once more, and just like before, we'll navigate to the Effects tab and select Audio Transitions. This time pick Crossfade +3 dB. Drag it onto the start of your audio clip. Fantastic! Similar to the fade out, you can adjust the length of your fade in. Whether you want a gentle introduction or a quicker start, it's entirely up to you. Let's not waste any time. Hit that play button again and listen to your beautifully faded in audio. Perfect! With this simple technique, you've added a professional touch to both the beginning and end of your audio clip. As always, thanks for tuning in to our DaVinci Resolve tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions or if there's a specific tutorial you'd like to see, drop a comment below. Until next time, happy editing!